Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka rice bowl cakes were a very common snack for early Hakka farmers. Hakka rice bowl cakes are made by first grinding the rice into rice milk. It's then put into the bowls for steaming. There are sweet and salty rice bowl cakes. For sweet cakes, you mix brown sugar into the rice milk before steaming it. And for salty cakes, you layer it with stir-fried dried radish, green onions, and a bit of soy sauce after it's steamed.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我是阿平高丽哦。
Hello, 大家好，我是 Tim Berge。
嘿 ，Tim， 我问你哦，
请说，
你平常早餐都吃什么啊？
一般都吃面包啊。
我喜欢吃水饭呢。
你喜欢吃水饭呢 ？So for breakfast you like to eat 水饭 ？What's 水饭啊？
水饭呢就是碗粿。
Okay, I'm sorry, Leo, but you got me more and more confused. 你讲的是什么东西？对不起。
好，我解释一下。
好，谢谢。
水饭呢，它就是用米把它磨成米浆之后，
是
拿去蒸熟。
OK，
吃起来的口感有点软软的。
Okay. So you take the rice milk and you steam it, and you kind of create a mixture which is kind of between a pudding and a cake. Well, that sounds really good. That must be good for breakfast then, huh? 应该早餐吃应该还不错咯。
对呀。然后另外呢，像这个东西水饭呢喂那个藕鸭也蛮好的哦。听不懂吗？
我听不懂。
藕鸭就是小婴儿。
OK.
只要是没牙齿都可以吃啦。
Okay. So I get it. So since it's kind of soft and not too difficult to chew, it's a good thing to give to your pet canary to eat too.
嘿呀，再来教大家这个吃法怎么吃哦。
好，
其实它有分甜的跟咸的。
甜的、咸的都可以
是甜的吃法呢，它就是在米浆的时候呢，我们就加点黑糖，然后再去蒸熟，然后它就是甜的口味的那个水饭呢。那咸的水饭呢，就是用客家人最传统的萝卜干或是萝卜席，也有人讲是菜脯，也就是萝卜干，然后炒一些虾米啦还有那个什么猪肉丝啊之类的东西啊，让它很香之后加在上面。就变成咸的吃法。
So if you want sweet soy ban, you add some brown sugar before you cook it, before you steam it. Or if you want some salty soy ban, you just add some radish, some chopped up dried radish, or some dried shrimp, or some other things, and you can have a very nice savory dish. So I think if you have a chance, if you stop by a Hakka community, you want to check out these very sweet or savory soy ban.
好啊，没问题啊。
Okay, that's it for another talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
什么大家爱吃谁？
张罗了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.